There's everything from established businesses to 18-year-olds making insane amounts of money on TikTok Shop right now. And if you're over 18 with at least 1,000 followers, then you also have the opportunity to join them, as TikTok Shop will just keep growing and evolving. I couldn't find many straightforward videos showing how to set up a TikTok Shop, as well as explaining some crucial things you need to know to not get your shop shut down. So I'm gonna show you this in this order. Step-by-step how to set up a TikTok Shop, features in the Seller Center that you'll be using a lot, and things you have to consider when running a TikTok Shop. Our lovely editor Amanda can put these timestamps next to them in case you want to skip to those parts right away. First, you're going to go to the TikTok Seller Center and choose your correct location. You can sign up using your TikTok account, but we recommend making a completely new account to use, as you can always link your other accounts to it in the future, but you won't be able to unlink it if you start with that one. Now you can sign up using either an email or a phone number, and you'll see the different shop options that you can choose. If you're unsure which one to use, there are descriptions on the side, but if you don't have a registered company, then just choose individual. Otherwise, use the others accordingly. It'll ask you to identify yourself, which I'm obviously not going to show you on the screen, but once that's done, it'll also ask you for your address, also not going to show that on the screen, and to add a shop name. Now you're almost good to go. So TikTok's going to review your shop, which will take about 24 hours, but it actually took us a few minutes, so we can jump straight to the next part. And next, you're going to add info like shipping and other details, which looks like this. And now all you need to do is connect your TikTok account, which, by the way, needs to be a public business account. And then you're done. It's as simple as that. Now you can easily connect TikTok Shop to whatever shop you're working with, such as whether it's ecommerce or Shopify, for example. Speaking of Shopify, you'll notice that Seller Center looks pretty similar, which is nice. Let's run through it quickly. So you have your orders and products, where you can keep track of those on these tabs. Marketing, this is where you'll add all of your campaigns, discounts, giveaways, so on and so forth, as well as setting up ads and campaigns. Analytics, self-explanatory, you check over how your shop is doing. And account health. Now this one is super important to keep track of, because if you don't, your shop might get penalized. You'll be able to see if you've gotten any violations, and one of the easiest ways to do that is by not fulfilling and shipping your orders on time and not taking care of your customers. If you're not doing that, your score will go down. Which brings me to the 3 things that are really important to consider with TikTok Shop. The first one I just mentioned, which is account health. So the first is the shipping policy. You'll need to send out your orders within 3 days. If you don't do this, your store might get penalized. That's why the many made-to-order products are really hard to sell on there. Number 2, payouts can take up to 15 days after delivery to get your payout from an order. So make sure that your finances are in place. And number 3, the support team are hard to get a hold of if issues come up, so patience is key. That's it for today. If you want any more details on TikTok and how to navigate that side of the internet, then let us know in the comments. Otherwise, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, where you'll get more videos about digital marketing, marketing data and analytics, and data visualization tips and tricks. All the great content you need to shortcut your way to being a better marketer. That was so aggressive.